Is it possible to move Earth from its solar system and shift to some other place? It is theoretically possible to move Earth from its solar system and shift to some other place, but it would be incredibly difficult and require an enormous amount of energy. One possible way to move Earth would be to use a series of gravity assists from other planets. This would involve carefully timing the launches of rockets so that they would use the gravity of other planets to slingshot Earth around the solar system. However, this would take many years and would require a huge amount of fuel. Another possible way to move Earth would be to use a giant tugboat spacecraft that would attach itself to Earth and slowly pull it out of its orbit. This would also be a very long and difficult process, and it would require a spacecraft that is much larger than anything that we have built so far. Even if we could overcome the technical challenges of moving Earth, there are other problems that would need to be solved. For example, we would need to make sure that Earth's new orbit is stable and that it doesn't collide with any other planets or stars. We would also need to find a way to protect Earth from the harsh radiation environment of interstellar space. Conclusion. In short, moving Earth is a very challenging and daunting task. However, it is theoretically possible, and it may be something that we need to consider if we ever want to find a new home for humanity. Here are some of the challenges that would need to be overcome in order to move Earth. The amount of energy required would be enormous. The process would take many years or even centuries. We would need to carefully plan the trajectory to avoid collisions with other objects in space. We would need to protect Earth from the harsh radiation environment of interstellar space. Despite the challenges, there are some scientists who believe that moving Earth is a feasible project. They argue that the benefits of moving Earth could outweigh the costs, especially if we are faced with a threat to our planet's survival, such as a rogue asteroid or a supervolcanic eruption. Only time will tell if we will ever have the technology to move Earth. However, it is an interesting thought experiment that raises some important questions about our future in space.